You may have heard some people say that you should open a bottle of wine or decant it to let it breathe. So what do these things mean? For the most part, a wine bottle is a sealed environment. Now, this obviously protects the wine from spoiling and allows it to age slowly. When winemakers cork a wine, they often add a small amount of sulfur dioxide and even trace amounts of argon or nitrogen to protect the wine from oxygen. Now, imagine being trapped in a sealed environment like that for years. It's almost akin to going into a state of hibernation, and when somebody finally lets you out, you're going to want room to breathe. Just like people, wine needs oxygen to give it life. Just by simply opening up a bottle of wine, you can get that process started. Aerating your wine allows those preservatives like sulfur and argon to dissipate. Secondly, oxygen exposure helps intensify the aroma and flavor compounds, which is the same reason why we swirl and slurp a wine when we're tasting it. And this is usually enough for younger wines that haven't been in the bottle for very long. But for older wines that really need to wake up, you want to decant. Decanting gets that wine out of the bottle and into an open container that allows it to mix with the air. It exposes more surface area to oxygen too. And for older red wines, it actually separates the wine out from its sediment so that it doesn't end up in your glass. In general, I recommend about 2 hours of decanting time, but be careful because too much time can actually have the opposite effect and make a wine taste flat. And now that this wine is ready to go, it's time to drink. Thanks for joining me today. On behalf of WTSO, I'm Marc Supsic.